Welcome to InvestoSphere, your go-to destination for real, actionable strategies to earn online, grow wealth, and achieve financial independence. If you're serious about making money online, today's topic is one you absolutely can't afford to ignore. Have you ever used a Chrome extension and thought, I wish I could make one of these and earn money from it? Well, guess what? You absolutely can. In fact, Chrome extensions have quietly become one of the most profitable digital assets on the internet. In this video, we'll walk through everything from idea to launch and show you exactly how people are making thousands of dollars every month with Chrome extensions. Whether you're a coder or not, this blueprint will work for you. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the world of Chrome extension income. Number 1. Why Chrome extensions are a goldmine in 2025. Over 3 billion users use Google Chrome. Chrome Web Store is an open marketplace. Users actively seek productivity, finance, writing, and AI tools. Passive income potential through subscriptions, ads, and licensing. Low cost of development with high potential ROI. This isn't a trend. It's a scalable opportunity that will only grow. Number 2. How Chrome extensions make money. Let's break down the proven monetization models. Freemium model. Offer basic features for free, charge for advanced features. One-time purchase. Users buy the extension outright. Monthly/yearly subscriptions. Recurring revenue through premium tiers. In-app purchases. Upsell additional tools inside the extension. Advertising. Use ethical, non-intrusive ads. Data licensing. Anonymized user data used for research or product development. Always be transparent. Selling the extension. Once popular, flip your extension for profit on marketplaces. Number 3. No-code tools to build Chrome extensions. Not a developer? No problem. You can still create Chrome extensions with no-code tools like Glide, OutSystems, Bubble, Thunkable, Plasmic, or hire developers on Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal, CodeMentor. Many people spend less than $500 to build an MVP, minimum viable product. Number 4. Best niches for Chrome extensions in 2025. Productivity, to-do lists, note takers, blockers, AI-enhanced writing tools, email automation, SEO and content optimization, personal finance tools, budget trackers, spending insights, crypto and investing tools, academic help tools, plagiarism checkers, summarizers, remote work, and project management. The key is to find a pain point and solve it efficiently. Number 5. Step-by-step. How to build and launch a Chrome extension. Identify a problem to solve. Sketch the solution and features. Hire a developer or use a no-code tool. Test the extension thoroughly. Create branding, name, logo, description. Set up a website or landing page. Create a demo video and screenshots. Publish on Chrome Web Store. Collect feedback and improve. Market to your target audience. Number 6. Marketing your extension for maximum downloads. Launch on Product Hunt. Run Reddit campaigns in relevant subreddits. Share on Twitter and LinkedIn. Collaborate with influencers or YouTubers. Use SEO. Optimize your web store listing. Build an email list from day one. Offer early user discounts or incentives. Remember, building is one thing. Marketing makes the difference between $0 and $10,000 a month. Number 7. Scaling your extension business. Add new features based on user feedback. Offer team plans or enterprise licenses. Create integrations with other platforms. Translate into multiple languages. Launch multiple extensions in similar niches. Bundle extensions for upsells. License the backend to other developers. The real magic happens when you turn your extension into a SaaS product. Number 8. Real-life success stories. A solopreneur who built a grammar checking tool that earns $12,000 a month. A team of 2 who created a budgeting extension making $5,000 a month via subscriptions. A student who sold his AI-enhanced summarizer for $50,000. A freelancer who now makes passive income from an extension that simplifies email outreach. These aren't edge cases. With the right process, this is possible. Number 9. Mistakes to avoid. Building without validating the idea. Ignoring user feedback. Overpricing or underpricing. Not providing proper documentation. Poor UI/UX design. Violating Chrome store policies. Neglecting updates and bug fixes. Avoid these traps and your extension has a solid chance at success. Number 10. Creating a long-term brand. Use a consistent design across your landing page and extension. Build a community on Discord, Telegram, or Slack. Collect testimonials and case studies. Start a blog or YouTube channel to support your brand. Capture emails for lifetime marketing. Think beyond one extension. Become a brand known for digital tools. You've just explored one of the smartest, most underrated ways to earn online in 2025. Chrome extensions aren't just tools, they're digital assets. And like any asset, they can generate passive income, open doors to bigger opportunities, and create long-term value. Whether you're building your first extension or scaling your fifth, the strategies you've learned today are real, practical, and proven. So here's what I want you to do. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to InvestoSphere for more deep dive content on making money online. Drop a comment and let us know what kind of Chrome extension you would love to build. And before we sign off, let me leave you with this question. If you had the power to create a Chrome extension that could solve one daily problem in your life, what would it be, and how would you turn it into an income stream? Think about it. Your next big opportunity might just be one browser tab away. Thanks for watching. This is InvestoSphere, and your journey to financial freedom continues here.